Dyan po kami galing. Yun yung may nakalagay na 2023 annual. Dyan po kami galing. Okay. City Health Office. Pero, ito yung City Hall. And then, dyan kami galing. This is our City Hall. Yan, ang ganda. Marami siyang halaman. Yan, yung halaman siya. Yan, tapos nandito si Jeje. Col, ano to? Nagtakip. Si Jeje. Yan po, yan kami galing. So, may mga sitting down here. Yan. And then now we're going back home. Sana nagustuhan niyo ang aking vlog for today. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lindy Clara, and Lynn Oxer de Clara for my Facebook and Reels. Bye!